Hello everyone, my name is Pooja and today's workout is going to be a little different than my usual workouts. So the idea for this video comes from Dr. Nandini Diwan ma'am. Hi ma'am. So it was her suggestion to make a workout video in which there are exercises that are aimed to sort of help the older population above 50 or 60 years old, and I thought it's a wonderful idea because there are a lot of workout videos out there which are just putting out exercises that are for mainly for the youth population or the population in the 20 to 30, 35 range, and they are very high intensity workouts. So that's why I've come up with this video. And sorry. So today's workouts are all gonna be about improving your balance, which is a common thing that we see among elders, that with age balance becomes slightly problematic. Then we are going to also do exercises that will help reduce stiffness and body ache in certain parts of the area. Oh, no. In certain parts of the body, and yeah, and like as a result of all this, there will just be like more movement during this lockdown period, and also just like a boost in confidence for anyone who's doing these workouts. And I would take this time to sort of point it out that these workouts are not only for people above 60 years, but for anyone who is just in general looking to increase their balance, their bodily balance, to increase their coordination, or to sort of reduce stiffness in any body parts. And like personally, for me, two things. It has increased my ability to balance my body in a better way, and also it has reduced my backache. Not reduced my backache, but it has sort of made it easier for my back, because I had a severe back pain, like going on from about a month. And so during this period I did these exercises, so it was really helpful for me, because they were not causing any exertion for me. They are like low intensity, but they will also give you enough enough benefits, such as, as I mentioned before, balance, coordination, and reduction in stiffness in your body areas. So yeah, so let's get to the video, and hope you'll enjoy it.
We will begin with our feet hip width apart. Pick your toes up, spread them out as far as they will go, and then lay them back on the floor. Spread them out and lay them back on the floor. Now we will sort of swing forwards and backwards. So lean forward, stop when your toes are gripping, and back to the center. Then lean backwards, make sure you don't fall over. Now when you lean backwards, your weight is in your heels, and then come back to the center. For the next exercise, we will keep our arms in front in this manner so that our shoulders also open up, and we'll do simple feet rotations. So this will actually challenge your balance when you're standing on one leg. And yeah, just start circles of foot, 8 clockwise, 8 anti-clockwise for both legs. Now we'll just warm up our palms or our wrist area. So we're just gonna get into a tight fist and then let that fist go in an explosive manner. This will help us to warm up our palms and hands in general. Now we'll just rotate our palms or from our wrists 8 anti-clockwise and 8 times clockwise. For this exercise, think of trying to pull up via your knees. Tense up the muscles in your thighs like you're lifting upwards. Engage your core, tuck your tailbone under, bend your knees. However, keep your back straight and sit your bottom back as if you're sitting on a chair. You can also use a chair for this exercise. Inhale while bending and exhale while coming up. Also, check if your knees are in line with your toes. For this exercise, you have to take your chin to the chest, bend your knees, pull your tummy in, and move towards the ground. Our back becomes stiff as we get older. Go to the point where your back is happy to go. Inhale to come up through the spine, nice and up. Reach your arms to the side, bring your right over your left, then swing them back for a stretch. Similarly left over your right and back. Get a nice stretch in your chest and your shoulder area. For the next exercise, take one leg forward, take your arms out to the side, and turn your palms up so that we can open up through the shoulders. It will get a good release and stretch. Make sure you're standing straight. Think of pulling up through the side of your leg on which you're standing, as if a thread on the top of your head is being pulled. Now hold that position and raise the leg up and place it back down. Now you're just holding for some time. Hold it there, keep holding, bring your arms up. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Bring your arms down and then place your foot down. This will be challenging if you have not done balance work in a while. Just do your best, lift and lower. For the next exercise, take your leg behind you, bend the leg in front of you. Keep your back straight, but you're slightly hinging forward so the weight goes into the foot you're standing on. The other leg becomes lighter and makes it easier to lift. Your hands are facing forward and palms are facing forward. This will open up your shoulders. Lift the leg behind. Hold it without putting it down and bend the knee. Bring the knee through and pull your tummy muscles in and lift in and up. For this exercise, we're going to work on our sides. Take your leg out to the side. This workout will strengthen the leg that you're standing on and the glutes. Arms are lower, standing tall. Breathe out, lift, and when you come down, exhale. Try to stay still on your standing leg. Lift and lower, and then hold it for 5 seconds. Don't stop if you lose your balance, just keep going because that's what matters. Ultimately, we have to work on our balance. Take your right arm all the way up and think of the other arm sliding through the side. Feel a good stretch on that side and do the same for the other side. A variation of this exercise would be when you stretch all the way to the side, but now you will also rotate your body so that your ribs are turning and reach your arm to that side. You feel the stretch going down the arm through the shoulder blades into the back of your ribs. Then come back onto the side, lift up and lower down. Now we're going to keep going. We're going to move down in a circular motion, a circular movement down towards the floor. You bend your knees, you reach to the side, you rotate your ribs, and now you try to come into a circular motion down to the floor. You let your head relax, you breathe in, and while unrolling the spine, you come all the way up. This exercise shall happen in such a way that you are letting your Now we're going to simply lie down on the floor, and these are the leg series. Here you're going to lift your leg and concentrate on staying long and balanced during the exercise. You don't see it directly, but here also you're working on your balance. Now you bend the knees, you open and close them. This is for the external rotators. With age, we start to turn in, and gravity is forcing us down again. So this exercise works in opposition of that. Now just try to reach the knee that's in the air to the knee that's lying down on the floor. This will also help to open up your pelvic area, which is often stiff and jammed as people age.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you find it helpful and practical. You know what, I just want to tell you before this video ends that please do these exercises with caution. If you have any pre-existing issues of your back or knee pain, then please either skip whichever exercise you find is challenging, or you could do it at your own pace and up to a limit which you feel that won't cause any pain or sort of discomfort in your body, you know. Yeah. Hello. So yeah, that was the workout for the elder pilates video, and if you have stayed up till now to watch this video and you are watching this outro, then it means that you have opened up your shoulder blades. Like in the older population, it is very normal for these joints to get really stiff. So we did the shoulder exercises, and even when I would open up my shoulders in front or in the back, or like this, like this, that actually helps to open the shoulders up even more, because with age our body goes on becoming more stiff in certain areas, and it's just important to sort of work our body against gravity. So yeah, so I did a lot of research for these exercises to come up with them, and I really hope that you guys find these helpful. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please like, share share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so bye. See you next time.